Okay, so today I'm gonna be playing Stars and Planets. See how this goes here. This is actually really cool here. Let me start in the beginning. So let's go explore. And let's start in the solar system. Really wanted to do this live with you guys, but it doesn't seem like the game reacts when I go live, so I'm gonna have to do it this way. We can look around the sun. I've already tried landing on it. Actually, the effects are kind of cool when you go in there, so let's do that here. So, it takes a little while to get to it because it's huge. That's cool how its light goes. You can fly over the sunspots. It can go down effectively. Well, it's made out of plasma, so you could theoretically go in it. It doesn't seem to let you do that here. Let's explore the solar system objects from inward to outward. This will be pretty cool. Especially once we stop by Earth, that'll be really cool. May stop in and play Minecraft in a little bit. Let's see what time it is. Okay, 7:38. Yeah, probably play this for about 30 minutes and then hop into Minecraft. This is so cool though. I just wish it worked live. That would be so cool. It's cool seeing the solar. Actually, there are a number of things. Guess that's probably supposed to be the corona and then headed to the photosphere. So to the photosphere. Let's fly gradually away here. That's pretty cool. Notice it's kind of cool how light the sun lights up the. Oh, it's not doing as much as I thought it did. Much the sun lights up the surface of the craft. Do a loop de loop. Yeah, if we try to go into the sun, here's what happens. Yeah, it just hits the surface. Well, the plasma surface. There, sometimes in real life, there's prominences and stuff like that, so it doesn't have everything. But okay, so I think we've seen enough of the sun. Let's back out a little bit here. Actually, let's explore what the sun. Oh, I guess it's talking about the solar system mainly. Let's see what it says about the sun too. Oh, I guess the sun's a type G2 star. It's 500, 5,772 Kelvin. Wait, it's a dwarf star? I did not know that. Interesting. Uh, no, I think it's a type G star. I don't think that's correct, actually. Funny enough. What? I don't think that's right. That's one solar mass because, yep, it's the sun. Its gravity's 27.94 Earth gravity. That's so cool. Some interesting facts there. I think that's correct. You can look through. Oh, that's the database statistics. That's not the whole. Okay, that's what we want. So it's a G2 star. It says it's a dwarf star. I don't know if I believe that. See what all these different classes are here. It doesn't really tell us. Okay. Or maybe it does. I'm just learning this here. I just started playing around with this, but this is so cool. Let's go and go to Mercury next here. Mercury's the closest planet to the sun. So actually, let's learn about it a little bit first. Don't want to go into all the details, but there's like a lot of details. So it is a rocky planet. Temperatures about 700K. Oh, that's funny. It's Mercurian. Masses. Oh, it's only like 0.05 of the Earth. I didn't realize it's that low on the mass. It's 0.38, a little over a third the size of the Earth. That's its orbit. It's only barely tilted, only 0.01 degrees. Wow. Let's see. And there's a whole host of stuff there. Actually, I'll scroll through it fairly quickly and you can pause it if you want to read it here. Maybe I should do that most of the time. Or I think it's, oh, I think that actually comes from Wikipedia. I'm not sure. So yeah, there's a lot about it here. This comparison thing is pretty neat. So mass is all compared to Earth here. Oh, and there's its orbit. That's cool. So I guess Earth is slightly more dense. That's interesting, I think. So that's like all the different things in the or that we know of. That's cool. The exoplanets found. Oh, this is cool. How many of each type of planet? Okay. But for now, let's go land on Mercury. So it's interesting. It doesn't say in the temperature thing how it's like it is very hot on the day side and it's very cold on the night side. I think it's well, okay. I guess you could see craters a bit. Yeah, let's try landing like that crater. Well, as you approach, it doesn't really look very cratery, oddly enough. See if we could like it looked kind of like a crater from the distance, but to get close. So there's a good place to be. Well, actually, the North Pole and the South Pole would probably be decent places to be. But I guess right on the Terminator area, actually on the North Pole or the South Pole would be probably pretty good there. Oh, we can see how our jumps. We could compare jumps of each world. That'll be cool. That's actually pretty fun. And that's why he did in Planetary Settlers, so this is so cool. What's that? Interesting. But since it's rotating, I think you'd want to be like at the North Pole or the South Pole of the planet. So yeah, I guess we are in like a crater here. That's kind of cool. Let's go explore this thing here. Wait, what's that do? Oh, I think that speeds up the passage of time. Interesting. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so yep, I'd be cooking here. I'd be freezing on the dark side. So, okay, let's go to another place. Let's go to Venus, which is funny enough. Venus is actually hotter than Mercury, so let's go there next. Ooh, I'm curious how it's gonna handle the atmosphere. I haven't landed on Venus yet. Let's take a look at the stuff. So, yep, it's a little hotter than, or it's the hottest planet in the solar system, at least on its surface. I think maybe like the core of Jupiter gets hotter or something like that, but pretty much it's like the hottest planet in the solar system. Let's see. Just looking at that, so it is just about the size of Earth, and it's just about the gravity of Earth. I actually plug these values into planetary settlers, so this is cool. This is I'd like to make planetary settlers kind of like this, but I don't have all the know-how of how to procedurally generate planets and all that type of stuff and get the data. So let's see. It's interesting type. Rocky, Venusian. Yes. Venus. So this is stars and planets. This is pretty cool app here. And it's free. There's ads you can, probably hit us with an ad here at some point. But I think you can watch ads to unlock some stuff too, unlock certain ships and stuff like that. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's cool. See what it looks like in the. Well, let's kind of go in the daytime zone here. Probably be kind of boring going in the nighttime area. Wonder if it's gonna do like the clouds and stuff like that. He does have the atmospheric effects. See how close it lines up with planetary settlers. Oh, weird. It kind of did a different thing there. Wonder if there's like any volcanoes. I don't see any on here, but there could be some on here. Let's go ahead and get out and go for a stroll here. Would it be a good idea unless you had a very good spacesuit? But let's see do it, which is cool. Think the pressure, atmospheric pressure. Let's see if it has that stat in here once we get back out. Atmospheric pressure is like a lot higher. Like it's 1,000, 100 times more than it is on Earth, roughly. See what this does over time too. Does look pretty similar to. Does look similar. Oh, that's cool. Sunset. Does look similar to my game though. I think my game might be a little more interesting with the volcano on this level. You don't see canyons and stuff like that too. I think there are canyons and stuff, so granted I didn't really go all that far. Let's jump and see how we jump here. Have to compare that with Earth, but it should be a slightly higher jump than Earth. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go. Let's go explore a little bit in there and see if there's like canyons and stuff like that. Does at least have the correct gravity and generally the right terrain, I think. Or like I mean, I don't see volcanoes or anything like that, but or canyons, but we could be in a flat part. See if we can kind of go out and see if there's like any good like canyons or anything here. This could just be a very flat region. Granted, I guess you probably want to be able to see this far, I guess, but it's cool they do let you see this far. Let's just go kind of to another spot here and see if there's anything that looks a little different. That is cool. Actually, let's see how it looks descending into the atmosphere. Let's look out. That's kind of cool. Now let's look at the ground here. Kind of think it's procedurally generated, but I'm not sure. At least the ground color seems to be about right. Yeah, I don't see anything really cool. Like, wait a minute, is that canyon over here? Okay, well, I guess when you get close to the surface. Okay, well, this does look a little different. Maybe it would be really cool to go in a canyon or something. Hey, let's try it out with Earth. Let's go to Earth. That'll be cool. That'll actually be really cool. But let's see if it says anything about. Like, let's see what it has here. I think on here it'll tell us about the. Well, yeah, there's a lot here. I think that's the Wikipedia on it, which is cool. Okay, well, let's go to Earth. Oh man, I didn't mean to go. Oh yeah, it's a solar system. Oh, that's cool. There we go. Let's see how. Oh, let's go to Hawaii. That'd be cool. Is that Hawaii? First off, let's get our bearings here. Let's see. Yeah, I think that is Hawaii. Cool. Be cool if it had like cities and stuff on here. I highly doubt it though. Let's go to the beach, actually. See if we see anything interesting along the way. Ooh, can we go in the water? Yeah, we can. That's cool. Definitely isn't very beach like, but still pretty cool. Oh, I'm curious if we can go into the Grand Canyon. Can we go swimming? Let's see. Oh, yeah, we can. That's cool. Oh, could we visit the Mariana Trench? That would be cool. Be cool if we see like life and stuff. I doubt we're gonna see any of that though. Can swim. That's cool. Let's jump. I guess I have to run and jump. Okay. Be nice if you just jump without running. So that's what an earth jump is like for comparison. What's that do? Oh, that just moves your body. Interesting. That's pretty cool. Okay. Let's go. Let's go explore. Ooh, let's go to the North Pole. Let's go out into space. Or maybe I could do the backup so we could like back up into space so we can see going into space here. That's cool though. You can swim in the water. Ooh, do they have the Northern Lights? That's awesome. Whoa, that's awesome. Oh, let's fly through the Northern Lights. That's awesome. It's interesting. I wonder if it's like the time it is now because like it is winter and it should be nighttime on the North Pole. Let's go see, is it snowy here? Let's find out. Go do the South Pole too. That's so cool. Oh, I guess I'm in the I guess I'm over the water still. Okay, let's go. Oh, yep, I'm over the water. Definitely. Oops. Let's go up here. Let's go to the South Pole. Fly through the northern lights as we go through. This is cool. Oh, actually, let's go to the Grand Canyon while we're doing this. Guess maybe it'll. Okay, it's just taking a while. I think it'll go faster once we get higher off the ground. I think that's the way this works. Yeah, now I see a little motion. Oh, I guess once we leave the atmosphere, we can move faster. That's cool. It's weird though, there's stars moving even though there's not gonna be stars moving within the range of Earth. It's interesting. Maybe they just do that so we can see the motion of it, or like see tell that we're moving. It could be like dust particles or something like that. Maybe that's what it's supposed to be. Probably won't be that much though. Okay, let's go land in Antarctica. See if we got snow there. Oh yeah, there we go. This is cool. Oh, it's actually snowing. That's cool. That's really cool. Okay, let's try to go to the Grand Canyon. So I think that's right near California. I think it's in Nevada. It's kind of go near the West Coast here. Mountains would be cool to visit too. Oh, that's cool. I could go sideways around there. I guess it's not current time because it's nighttime out right now. in the United States, and it's daytime in the United States on the game. Actually, I don't know if this is really considered a game or not. Okay, let's see if we see the Grand Canyon. Looks like it's kind of like mostly procedurally generated with like the different layouts of Earth. I mean, the different terrain of Earth or whatever. I think it should be somewhere around this area. Yeah, I'm not seeing a Grand Canyon. I am curious if the mountains are there. Let's go see here. No, I guess they're not really all that. Well, maybe. I don't think it's realistic per the Earth, but well, maybe. I think there's at least mountains where the mountains are supposed to be, roughly. Though they don't quite go to the ocean though, so I think that's wrong. There's not rocks in the ocean unless those are supposed to be islands. Yeah, I don't think there's that many islands. Yeah, I think this is wrong. Let's land and see what we got here. Yeah, you can't see the ocean from the mountains, so yeah, that's wrong. But I guess it's not meant to be accurate. It's probably not meant to be accurate per terrain of the planet. I think it's supposed to be. I mean, it is semi, I guess, but I mean, there's beach and it's Earth is designed like Earth. Let's go try to land on one of these island things. See, I wonder if it has a continental shelf. I think you fly underwater, which is kind of funny. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. That's still kind of cool. See, the ocean's like really deep in the ocean area. And try to land on a rock too. I fall in the water. Oh, I'm on the rock, sort of. Can't seem to move very well. Let's see. Yeah, it's not really. I don't think it's meant to be an Earth simulator, but I think it's meant to be a solar system simulator. And I'm still impressed it had snow in Antarctica. Let's try the deep ocean. Still quite cool. Maybe I could do the inner solar system with this video. Oh wow, it's 8 already. Okay, well if I'm going to be doing Minecraft, I want to do that soon here. So you just got the moon and Mars left though. See, let's just try here and see if we can go into the deeper ocean. That should at least be off the continental shelf now. It's funny. He's like, "Well, yeah, let's go what you want, but we're not live here." So, like, I think I'll head to, or, I mean, hop into Minecraft here. Though. Does seem deeper here. Doesn't look like it's 2 miles deep. I think that's what the ocean typically is. Let's see how long it takes us to swim to the surface. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Okay. Well, yeah, let's go hop into Minecraft. And thank you for watching. And feel free to like and subscribe. Guess we're a USO undersea object or whatever they call that. I don't know. Anyway, this has been pretty cool though.